Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we will talk about cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying and validating transactions on a decentralized network, such as a blockchain, and adding them to the distributed ledger. This process requires solving complex mathematical equations and cryptographic puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. In exchange for their work, miners receive a reward in the form of newly minted coins. A miner is rewarded for their mining efforts in cryptocurrency, typically in the form of newly minted coins as well as transaction fees. For example, in Bitcoin mining, miners receive newly created Bitcoins as a reward for successfully adding a new block of transactions to the blockchain. This reward is currently set at 6.25 Bitcoins per block and is halved every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years. In addition to the block reward, miners also receive transaction fees from the transactions included in the block they mined. In Ethereum mining, miners receive a reward of 2 Ether per block. However, Ethereum also has a transaction fee mechanism that is used to prioritize transactions for inclusion in blocks. Miners who include these transactions in their blocks receive the associated transaction fees as additional rewards. The exact rewards for mining can vary depending on the cryptocurrency being mined and the rules set by the blockchain protocol. However, in general, miners are rewarded with newly minted coins and transaction fees for their mining efforts. To participate in mining, a miner needs specialized hardware, software, and access to electricity. The hardware used for mining is specifically designed to perform the computational tasks required for mining efficiently. ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, miners are the most popular type of mining hardware for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, while other cryptocurrencies may require different types of hardware. Let's take an example. The mining process for Bitcoin and Ethereum differs in several ways, including the required hardware. Bitcoin uses the SHA-256 algorithm, which requires specialized ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, miners to efficiently perform the required computational tasks. These ASIC miners are specifically designed for Bitcoin mining and cannot be used for other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses the Ethash algorithm, which is memory hard and requires a GPU, graphics processing unit, to efficiently perform the computational tasks. GPUs are more versatile than ASIC miners, and can be used for mining other cryptocurrencies as well. This difference in hardware requirements means that the initial investment for mining Bitcoin is higher, as ASIC miners are more expensive than GPUs. However, ASIC miners are more efficient at Bitcoin mining, and can produce higher profits over time. In contrast, GPU mining for Ethereum is less capital-intensive, as GPUs are more widely available and less expensive than ASIC miners. However, the profitability of Ethereum mining can be affected by the price of Ethereum and the difficulty level of the network. Overall, the hardware requirements for Bitcoin and Ethereum mining differ due to the different algorithms used. Bitcoin requires specialized ASIC miners, while Ethereum can be efficiently mined with GPUs. The choice of hardware depends on factors such as initial investment, profitability, and personal preferences. In addition to hardware, mining requires specialized software that connects the miner's hardware to the blockchain network and facilitates the mining process. There are various mining software options available for different cryptocurrencies. Mining comes with risks, such as the potential for hardware failure, loss of investment, and hacking attempts. Additionally, mining requires a significant amount of energy consumption, which can result in high electricity costs and environmental impact. The real costs of cryptocurrency mining include the cost of hardware, electricity, and maintenance. These costs can vary depending on the cryptocurrency being mined, the location of the miner, and the efficiency of the mining hardware. The initial investment for cryptocurrency mining can vary depending on the type of hardware and software used, as well as the cost of electricity in the miner's location. For example, the initial investment for Bitcoin mining can range from several $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the type and number of ASIC miners used, as well as the cost of electricity in the mining location. Similarly, the initial investment for Ethereum mining can range from several $100s to several $1,000s, depending on the number and quality of GPUs used, as well as the cost of electricity. These costs can significantly impact the profitability of mining, especially if the price of the cryptocurrency being mined decreases. It is essential to consider these costs carefully and calculate the potential profitability before investing in cryptocurrency mining. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.